Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to keep your Instagram story private and share it only with specific people, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to allow only certain people to see your Instagram stories. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and you're good to go. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on Your Story at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring you to the screen where you can manage your stories. Step 3. On the story screen, look for the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it to open your settings. Step 4. In the settings menu, tap on the story option. This will take you to the section where you can adjust who can see your Instagram stories. Step 5. Now you'll see the Close Friends section. Tap on Top People to start selecting who you want to be able to see your story. Step 6. From here, you'll see a list of people you follow. Simply mark the people you want to include in your Close Friends list. Once you've selected everyone you want, tap Done at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now, only the people you've selected as your close friends will be able to see your Instagram story. It's a simple way to control your privacy and share content with a more personal audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.